namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Of course namhletakela loko bene the president continue kha ipanza Gaza. Yeah, so ka siku ra munhu of course ra 12 April, as you can see, fika ni scroll ka account ya Mayengani the president, mfana scroll fika kuma ku hey fika itsala a post la ifika itsala ku ya magaza isukile futhi, even then ivekela that image la clearly kunga a Golf 7 GTI with one mawlight lama nga randhaku kula. So ni vutisa ka the big fans ta Mayengani president va hlamusela ishawe Golf 7 GTI very clear, and I vekerini ka WhatsApp ya yona fika ni kuma yana screenshot shesho. So imhaka kahle swinene, nga congratulations to him, ayi loku tirheni swinene to be honest, because sure he shave 2 cars within 8 months. Mengama mahleketa na 11 August la I shava that other Mercedes Benz le coupe, mengama ihleketa the images. So she already like in April he shave another car nga a Golf 7 GTI. So ngaba loko congratulations to him, mova kahle swinene. Lava to mova va ta ku byela ku Golf 7 GTI by far is the best GTI ever made. Yeah, these images were using them for illustration purposes only. Yona strategy Ben Mayengani mara ukombisa. So it's one of the best GTIs ever made. Ngaba loko yona the best one. Yina ete waktu mova. It's the best Golf 7 GTI ever made. Because Golf 8 GTI ibona mara yeah, emotion, yeah, one of the pops and bangs, like just a car, you go to fambe. So if you get an extra mile to make it exciting. So Golf 7 GTI is the best one, and he's fast. Yeah, guys, this car is not slow. And the way I check out performance, yeah, Golf 7 GTI, I'm not sure it's fast, really. 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds. Imagine, it's fast, very fast. And the chuneka symbol. Let's figure mistress and Golf 7. I mean, GTI in overall, each chuneka symbol go. Fukuba enda, is a stage 2. Or even by ECU remap, say like strong with ECU remap and then showing up 5 something seconds. Look, see, I go stage 2, say from about 4 something seconds. It's very fast. So the congratulations to him. You try come so impala in normal. You go before you nyikelo in doing, but clearly Mayengani president Maliko national, because at the same time pala I'm showing air base na yindlu and in Liadora guys. I'm going these days. I chipang shilu, I fana card, Shadora shield. So I make a banana in the so already Clishavana Movo. So obviously this car is above 200 and something thousand. Not one can check like a cars.c or the Z8. And the to chip at a corner. So Yadora 2 to 300 and something thousand. Yishave or Maleko. So in Gabla congratulations to him, you look tension nan. Dokura am guys, subscribe and subscribe. How are you now?